What if I told you that one tiny money mistake could cost you over $500,000 during your lifetime? Most people make these mistakes every day and don't even realize it. The first mistake is waiting to invest. People think they'll start when they earn more money. But time is more powerful than income. Even small investments can grow dramatically through the power of compound returns. The second mistake is living to impress other people. Expensive cars, designer clothes, and the latest gadgets often lose value quickly, while investments have the potential to grow for decades. Third, carrying high-interest debt. Credit card balances can grow so fast that they quietly erase years of hard work. Paying off high-interest debt is often one of the smartest financial moves you can make. Fourth, having no emergency fund. One unexpected expense, like a car repair, medical bill, or job loss, can force people into even more debt. Building a savings cushion can help you handle life's surprises with greater confidence. And finally, never learning about money. Schools often teach many important subjects, but personal finance isn't always one of them. Reading books, listening to trusted experts, and learning how investing works can make a meaningful difference over time. The good news is that every smart financial habit starts with one small step. Your future wealth isn't built overnight. It's shaped by the choices you make every day. Which of these money mistakes have you made, and which one will you fix first? Let us know in the comments. And follow for more practical money tips to help you build long-term wealth. Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to MoneyVia and tanmarket.com for more simple money tips on wealth, stocks, financials, and more. Turn on notifications so you never miss the latest breakthroughs.